In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import products from one Shopify store to another. To begin, sign in to your source Shopify admin. This is the store that already contains the products you want to move. Make sure you are in the correct store before you continue, since the export file will be created from the product data in this account. Once you are inside the Shopify admin, go to the Products section. This is where all of the product information for the store is managed, including titles, descriptions, pricing, images, and other details that can be included in an export file. Opening this section is the first step in preparing your products for transfer. In the Products area, click Export. This will open the export options so you can choose exactly which products you want to include and what file format you want Shopify to generate. If you are moving everything from one store to another, this part is very important because it makes sure nothing gets left behind. When the export window appears, select All Products. This tells Shopify to create a file containing the full product list from the source store. If your goal is to transfer the entire catalog, this is the right option to use. It is a simple way to gather all of your product data into one file. Next, choose CSV for Excel, Numbers, or other spreadsheet programs. This format is the standard option for working with Shopify product exports. It is easy to download, easy to open, and commonly used when moving product information between stores. Even if you do not plan to edit the file manually, selecting the correct CSV format helps ensure compatibility. After that, click Export Products. Shopify will then generate the export file and send it to your email address associated with the store. Depending on the size of your catalog, this may happen quickly or it may take a little time. If you have many products, give Shopify a moment to process everything before checking for the message. Once the email arrives, open it and download the CSV file. This file contains the exported product data from your source Shopify store and is what you will use for the next part of the transfer process. Be sure to save the file somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or downloads folder, so you can access it quickly when needed. That covers everything you need to know.